In the refugee camp in Western Ghana, hope is taking shape in a new way. At Krisan, residents are discovering how innovation, training, and opportunity can help strengthen their community.
So here at the Krisan Refugee Camp, we started a program that is not just for the refugees, but for the host community as well.
A new 3D innovation lab is giving camp residents access to technology that can be used to learn valuable skills and create practical solutions for everyday needs. The project was made possible through collaboration between local leaders, humanitarian partners, and supporters who believe in helping individuals build for themselves and serve others.
You have done a wonderful thing, especially Amaris Foundation, for bringing out with this wonderful project.
We're very pleased to open the 3D printing lab here at the Krisan Refugee Camp. We have been so grateful to be able to see the change already that has occurred with the residents here in the camp. They brought forth many incredible ideas, micro business plans, and as we implement those, the whole community is benefited, and not just the refugee camp, but the host community as well.
My name is Ruth Okese. I'm a hairdresser. I'm a creative person, but I don't have the tools and the materials to do things. But after participating in the training, I was able to create my own style of my earrings, like the one I'm wearing right now. And it's helpful.
I believe that this program is very essential for our refugees because it will help support their livelihood.
More than machines, this lab is about people. It is a place where residents can learn, create, and begin turning their own ideas into useful products that can bless families and strengthen the camp.
In fact, when I came and then saw what the refugees they've done by themselves, I was so impressed.
I want to use the machine to do more things, like I want to do a bangles, earring and other stuff, a plate, spoon and some things.
From educational tools to practical supplies, the possibilities are growing. Residents are not only learning how this technology works, but how it can be used to solve real problems close to home. Efforts like this reflect a simple principle. When people are given tools, training, and support, they can do remarkable things for themselves, their families, and their communities. At Krisan, this small lab represents something much bigger than technology. It is a symbol of hope, dignity, and a future shaped by faith, learning, and self-reliance.
On behalf of the Ghana Refugee Board and all of the residents here at the Krisan Refugee Camp, we'd like to thank the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints for funding this project and making this project come to life.